Now, right behind me is the most luxurious 5-bedroom fully detached duplex in Lekki Phase 1, selling for 450 million naira. Now, this property comes with a swimming pool, a rooftop terrace, and a double volume living room. It comes very exquisite. You would definitely love this one. Join me on this tour. Let's go. So the first thing in this home, in this very beautiful home, is this luxurious gigantic door, and you have this automated feature on the door where you can either use your thumbprint, you can use a passcode or an access card to gain access for maximum security in your home. Then you have this ante room, as you can see, where you have that leads you directly into your guest room, so the visitors room. So you can see how spacious it is. Then you have the toilet and bath just right here for the visitors. Then you have the guest toilet right here. You have the guest toilet right here. Then you have this double volume living room with this luxurious chandelier, very beautiful, and you have lots of spotlights, lots of lighting in the home that really beautifies the home. So one other thing I love is the choice of the quality of materials being used for this console, which is for your TV area, and essentially you can have like lots of decorations, a lot of things that you can use to beautify your living room. Then now one thing you need to note is this home is actually really fully automated. So you have a lot of automation features right here, and you can see the spotlights, another console right here that really beautifies the home, you understand. Then the next thing you have is the kitchen, which is well fitted. Now this kitchen is actually very spacious. It speaks luxury. Like imagine you're a cook and you really love cooking, you're definitely going to love this kitchen. It is actually very spacious. I love this island top, which is actually, you know, very spacious. You already have your double door refrigerator, which is of very high quality. Then you have your microwave and oven as well, and lots of cabinetries. You have lots of cabinetries. Then your 5-burner top and the heat extractor is right here. Then I specifically love all the cabinetries and the lighting that has been done on the wood that really brings a lot of beauty to the home itself. Then you have your washing machine just right here. You have your washing machine right here. Then the boys' quarter is just right here. So that means you can actually lock this, and the maid can always gain entrance to the boys' quarter from the back. So let's quickly go upstairs so we can see more of this lovely home. So right here is the lounge, family lounge. So you can see we have another console for this family lounge. So you can have like a couch for your family to also, you know, rest, chill, you can watch TV and whatnot. And I specifically love this chandelier that has been used here. It's actually really lovely. So the next thing is we have 3 rooms up here. Remember, we have one downstairs. We have 3 rooms up here, while we have one at the top, which is the master's. So let me show you this room. So you can see this room, very spacious. Could be kids' room, could be, you know, anything you decide to make it. And you have the mini walk-in closet for this room. You can see how spacious it is. Then you also have the balcony right here. Now this is not even the master's. That is how beautiful this home actually is. Then you have the toilet and bath right here. So you can see the wash and basin, the shower cubicle, and the toilet seat. Everything well fitted, quality designs. So this is another room. I specifically like the fact that the wardrobe has been fitted into the wall so it doesn't eat into the space of the room. Then you have this toilet and bath. Remember, all rooms are ensuite, so you have this shower cubicle, which is actually very spacious, very lovely. Then the last room on this floor is this one. Essentially similar design, a bit more spacious than the other one we just checked. Also, the wardrobe is well fitted on the wall, doesn't eat into the space of the room. Then you have your toilet and bath right here, also well fitted the same way. You can see everything is actually well done. So let's go to the last floor, which is the masters. So at this top floor, you have your masters. Let's check the masters first. So in this masters, you have this lovely console as well, TV console, very spacious masters for your 6x6 bed and maybe any other design you would like to fit into it. Then you have this lovely walk-in closet, which is really lovely. Then I personally love this toilet and bath. The toilet and bath is actually very compact and well spaced. So you have your bathtub, you have your toilet seat, your custom wash and basin, and your shower PBQ right here, which is really fantastic. I definitely love this home. Like, every single thing has been done to detail. So we also have, so this is more like an extra toilet and bath for the master suite upstairs. Then this is the cinema room. It has not been fully done yet, so still under works. Then this can actually be your office space or a gym space, depending on what you want to do with it. Then finally, it is your rooftop terrace, which is one of my favorite parts, or my favorite part actually. You can actually have your private parties. You can decide to have like a lounge here, and you can really chill with family and friends. You can bond with your family and friends right here. So it is really fantastic. I love the view. The view from here, it is really lovely. And definitely, this is a home you definitely want to buy. Now, one thing I want to warn you is we have 6 units right here. 4 units are gone already. We have just 2 units left on this property. This property is in Lekki Phase 1. It's a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex in Lekki Phase 1 that comes with a swimming pool. It comes with a rooftop terrace, a double volume living area, spacious rooms, and every other thing you need in a beautiful and luxurious home. It also comes with a private cinema. And if you're interested in buying this property, you know who exactly to call. My name is Adeola Sanusi. I'm the best real estate expert in Africa, bringing you the best deals in Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you very much for your time. Cheers.